Hello everyone! So, how to do a beautiful toilet costs $17 Canadian. So here's the deal, Little pot like that, biodegradable, little bags over here for the poop. Then toilet bowl seat, I should say, which is $11. Here's the handle, so you don't touch anything. In the back, you've got these holder. So basically, what's going on? You got that. Sorry for 2 sec. Here you go. It's not moving. If you need to do your business, you do your business.
Use 2x4s, 1.5 by 1 3/4.
And little screws right here. These screws has been embedded in the plastic, so they're flush. All right, so this, you can see it very nice, so your butt won't even feel it. So DIY Overland toilet, bang, that's what it is, and not even an hour. So, and you put your toilet paper roll here, and that's it. Here you go. Enjoy your summer. If you like that, more video like that, it's coming up. Like and subscribe. Thanks.